Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. A couple weeks ago I posted a video for Floaty Toes Beads and Baubles on Facebook. It's a Facebook group. And I actually went back that day and got some more stuff. It was different stuff. And I got it from Sharon. So I would advise you check them out because they ship really quickly. They're really nice and they have a really nice assortment of different things. So the stock changes because it's more of like a sale group. So here's what I got. Just a little bag full of stuff, full of yummy stuff. Ooh, and I forgot I got this one thing. Ooh, yesterday I was about to film a Valentine's earring blitz and I didn't. I ended up doing the necklace, the lariat. I ended up doing this lariat instead of the earring video, which absolutely love this lariat still, but I'm so glad I didn't do the Valentine blitz because I got these beads. So spoiler alert, you guys are going to see a Valentine's blitz soon and they're going to include these amazing beads. I'm so glad I saw these at the last second and got some. They are ceramic. I'm so sorry guys if they're sold out. I apologize, but I've never seen this shape before, so I had to go jump on it. It's red ceramic. They almost look like little heart pineapples. Oh my gosh, that makes me love them even more. But they're ceramic and they have a beautiful luster on them, a luster glaze. Those are so fun. Sorry, I know I can talk. I know I can talk a lot. Really, Brittany, just show us the beads. So, let's see. I also got... Oh, this was like a little mix. So I'm going to grab, do I have a bead tray? I do. Okay, so it's like a little mix that they had put together, and I can't remember if this is some kind of composite jasper or what it is, but it was just like a bunch of coordinating beads that I thought, or that they thought really went together, and I really liked them. So it's like a little earring kit. Those are cute. We've got some interesting shapes here. Oh, it goes that way. Okay, it's like a little dog bone shape. Oh, another one of these. Okay. And then we've got some nice spacers, silver spacers, a lot of them. That's great. I think I've run out of this color in this size. And then some red spacers as well. So these are nice. I can't tell if these are resin or if they're like a composite of a bunch of different stones, you know, resin together. But they're still really nice, and I know they weren't very expensive. Next, I purchased, oh, actually, I don't even remember grabbing these. I kind of do. Some silver metal beads. I just really liked the, oh, look, are they different? They're different on each side. So we've got a flower on that side, and then we've got like a nice geometric pattern on the other side. Those are neat. These are perfect for earrings. Oh, I got two strands. Okay. They're perfect for earrings or for a really nice gemstone necklace. You can use these as a spacer with bigger gemstones, or I just did that African bead haul. These would be fantastic with that. I'm getting so many ideas from these. These are really neat. These would also look really good with patina or paint on them, or enamel. Some larger copper spacers. These are pretty awesome. I have a couple of these, but I haven't used them because I didn't have enough to do a whole project, but these are going to look really nice between some ethnic beads or some gemstones. Those would look really nice. Next we have some smaller copper spacers. I don't have any that look like this, and I thought, you know, I need them. I'm always looking for copper spacers because what did I make recently? It was, I think it was that chandelier necklace with the owls, and I almost didn't have enough spacers, so now I panicked and I bought a bunch of copper spacers. And then next we have these copper spacers too. These are pretty cool. They're kind of fluted. Those are neat. It almost looks like 3 different spacer beads, like a daisy, a barrel, and then another daisy. That's really neat. It gives you some, makes your project look a little bit more ornate. These are awesome. I got them in 2 different sizes. I think, yeah, they're lamp work. Oh my goodness, these are so cool. And I know they weren't that expensive, and I don't know if she still has any left, but if she does, you need to check them out because these are so cool. These will actually look really, really awesome with some of the African beads I got recently in that last haul. These are so cool. I love them. So these are larger. And then this is a smaller size. And they're very close, but I think these are like 10 and these are like 12 or something like that. Neat. It's almost like these beads are wearing like ruffles or a skirt or something, or like a French maid outfit. It's so cute. I love them. And then the last thing I purchased were these silver beads, and I have these in antique bronze, which I haven't used yet, so surprise, surprise. These look a little bit bigger than my antique bronze beads though, but I really like them. And you could put a tiny crystal in the middle. These could be a cage, not a cage bead, but a frame bead. They're really nice donuts, and I love them because they kind of remind me of like dragons with that pebbling on them. So neat. And then she also included a little thank you. Let's see what we got going on here. So some really nice daisy space, not even daisy spacers, these are just like larger spacers. Oh, I guess it could be daisy spacers, but I have some of these in silver and not in antique copper. Never even seen them in antique copper, so these are really cute. Some nice black glass beads, perfect faceted spacers. And then some really cool, like almost like rope beads, like a rope pattern. Those are really nice. Thank you, Sharon. That's very sweet of you. Guys, check out their Facebook group. I'll leave everything below. Again, it's Floaty Toes, Beads and Baubles, I think, by Sharon and Rose, or Rose and Sharon. But anyway, I really love this order. I think my favorites were these beads, which, oh my gosh, come on, heart-shaped pineapples. And these beads, they look like they're wearing clothes. And my copper, these two. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I gave away the bag. You guys are going to see a Valentine's Day earring blitz. And stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good one, guys. Tell me what you would do with some of this stuff, and tell me what your favorite was. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Are you smiling at Mommy? Yeah? Hi. Hi, Goldie. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, babe? Good morning. Aw, you're so cute.